Hello YouTube land, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? Despite what a lot of people are thinking, I'm here, I'm alive, and I'm well. Just some updates before I talk about what this video is all about. Some people have been asking me why I have been kind of MIA from social media, mainly Instagram. And to tell you the truth, I realized that since I started back during the COVID time, I became really addicted to it. So Instagram became an addiction for me. I couldn't get by like 5-10 minutes without checking the posts and putting likes, answering comments, and was consuming my entire day. In the meantime, I'm trying to have a normal life and do work, and it just became so overwhelming that I was spending hours a day just in Instagram alone, not talking about YouTube videos and everything else that I had on the go at the same time. So like it's been close to a year now. I just decided to go kind of cold turkey, and I just turn off my Instagram account. It's not deleted. Eventually I'll probably go back. At this point, I have no plans of going back to my Instagram because I realized that I gained back hours and hours in a weekly basis that I was spending in something that wasn't really adding value to my life. So despite the fact that I loved the conversations, I met amazing people through Instagram, I just realized I was becoming too much. So I had to change. Having said that, I'm grateful that I met a lot of good friends. I met someone very important to my life, and I can't wait to meet several friends that I managed to keep in touch over the years. Even being away from Instagram, I'm still talking to some of you folks. Before I forget, if you want to talk to me, if you want to reach out, please go through my Facebook account, same name, Windy Therapy, or send me a message through the YouTube channel, or even Gmail, right? Same email, same name, windytherapy@gmail.com, and I will make a point of reaching out and find a way to talk to you. But anyway, so that's the update as far as why I have been MIA. So let's talk about what this video is all about. So the latest really is about the fact that we sold the house. Everything is in a storage location at this point. I got a car, motorcycle trailer, and the motorcycle, and I decided to head east. So most of my work right now is in Michigan, Virginia, West Virginia, and the DC area, including Portland, Maine. So I want to stay closer to that area, at least being the same time zone, because the 3 hours difference between the Pacific and the Eastern time zone has been really hard on my body. It's hard to adapt every few weeks, so I'm getting tired of that. So I really want to stay close to my work and at least stay in the same time zone as my work. And to be honest, I'm getting tired of that. So I'd rather be at the same time zone. It's going to make my life much easier. Where I'm going to be settling, like I said, I don't know. For the time being, I'm living between hotels and Airbnbs or staying in some friends' houses. So I'm kind of homeless. I'm a little Canadian, half Canadian, half Brazilian hobo, living in different places, not having a fixed address. But that's okay. I kind of like the challenge. I like the adventure behind it. I was never afraid of trying new things, taking challenges. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm actually looking forward to it. So that's really what this is all about. The famous picture I had on my background from my studio will stay in the garage with the new family. I hope they like it. But sooner or later, I'm going to have to create another studio somewhere or make videos outdoors like this one. Do you guys have any idea where I am right now? There's a club just behind me, but I'll show you something else. How about now? Do you have an idea where I am? Yes, I'm in Indianapolis Motor Speedway. This was a dream of mine to visit this place. Unfortunately, I missed the Indianapolis 500, which was held during the May long weekend here in the US. I'll try to be back, but I'm just overwhelmed by the size of this racetrack. You don't understand, you don't visualize how big it is until you're here. But I'm just glad that I passed Indianapolis on my way to Virginia. I couldn't miss the opportunity to check this place out and create this video right here. I think this is the perfect place and the perfect opportunity to give you guys an update. So this is basically my situation at this point. Yes, I'm homeless. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm happy, excited about things to come. So I'll keep you guys updated as often as I can. Once again, I have to apologize because I don't have the time to create videos as often as I did when I was working from home most of the time. Now I'm just at my home base, whatever that is, a week of the month. So I don't have a lot of time. So I hope you guys understand. In the meantime, please keep in touch. Again, you can find me through my Gmail account, Facebook, or just send me a message under this video here down below. That's it, my friends. Nice to catch up and give you guys an update. In the meantime, as always, be good, be safe, and let's keep the rubber side down. Ciao.